Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Modic from Gemini to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this video is for you. Modic, or Modic as it's often called, is the native token of the Polygon network, and transferring it between exchanges like Gemini and wallets like Coinbase is easier than you might think. But before we jump in, make sure you have a verified Gemini account with some Modic in it and that your Coinbase wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. We'll go step by step to avoid any hiccups. First things first, log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and check your Modic balance to ensure you have enough to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal amounts and fees, so double check that. Once you're good, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually in the Wallet or Funds area. Next, select Modic as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. To get that, open your Coinbase wallet app or website, go to the Receive section, and copy the Modic address. Pro tip: always double-check the address to prevent any irreversible mistakes. Now, back on Gemini, paste that address into the withdrawal form. You'll be asked to specify the amount. Enter what you want to send, minus any fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. Gemini might require two-factor authentication for security, so have that ready. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your email or Gemini notifications for confirmation. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see your Modic arrive. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Modic from Gemini to Coinbase wallet in 2025. Always stay safe in the crypto world by using hardware wallets for long-term storage and keeping an eye on gas fees. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.